it's Sonia here from Just Women's Business, and today I've got a really great tool in Canva. It shows you how to round the corners of rectangles or squares and photos. So super simple, great tool. So without further ado, let's go. I'll just X myself out. So in Canva you can, I'll start a new page. To get a rectangle up, you just go R, which actually pops up as a square, and I might make it a bit bigger just so you can see it, and I'll pull it out, and actually that might be too big. And so while it's highlighted, you'll notice that there's the color option, the line, and the curve. So we'll go straight away to the curve. If you go right up to 100, it gives it quite a big curve, and obviously down to 0 is back to the rectangle. But I kind of like between 20 and 30, so actually I might go 25. And it's just slightly rounded the rectangle. Actually I'll make it say, so you can see better, 40. Then highlight it again, go to the line option, and we might pop in say 5 for the width, and it actually makes the rectangle pop even more. And then if you like, you can pop text in as well. So if you wanted to, we could just actually I'll duplicate that, pop it in and make it a bit smaller, and you can get actually quite a nice, like it really pops off the page if you have just sort of the edge and the thickness of the border and the curved lines. But you can also do it with photos. So I've got 2 photos here, and the first one will just do the same thing, we'll just curve it. So I'll go to 40, and it just actually softens the overall effect of the photo. I'll do the same with this one, and I'll make this 40. And what you can do is not just only curve the corners, but you can, when you highlight it, you can actually add a line border to this as well. So I'll go 5, and I'll go to the color, and I'll make it black. And it sort of just gives that little bit more of a pop effect. If you want to make it a bit bigger, you can go 10 sometimes, and it's just something a little bit different. You can, if you highlight the photo and click on the line, and we'll go to the color and just say the photo colors will actually pop up in the color option as well. So you could pick something in the dark outline or a light outline. This photo also popped up with all the other photo options. So it's kind of a really cool tool, and I hope that's really helped give you some idea of how to make a simple rounded text box look just that little bit different in Canva.